How to solve 6 power x plus 6 power negative x is equal to 20. What is the value of x? So we have 6 power x plus 6 power negative x is same as 1 over 6 power x is equal to 20. In the next step, let 6 power x is substituted by k. So this equation can be written as k plus 1 over k is equal to 20. Now we have k plus 1 over k is equal to 20. Now we multiply by k in both sides. So multiply by k, multiply by k, multiply by k. So this k will be cancelled. So you have k times k, so it will be k square here plus 1 is equal to 20 times k, so it will be 20k. Now we have k square, then this plus 20k take to the left side, so this will be minus 20k, then here plus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step, we apply quadratic formula, so you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, b is as minus 20, then c is as 1. Now k will be equal to minus b, that means negative 20, so it will be bracket negative 20 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 20 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means 1, then divided by 2 times a is same as 1. In the next step, we have k is equal to minus times negative 20, so it will be positive 20 plus or minus a square root of negative 20 bracket a square, so it will be positive 400, then minus 4 times 1 times 1, so it will be 4 divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now you can write here k will be equal to 20 plus or minus a square root of 400 minus 4, so it will be 396 divided by 2. In the next step, now we can write here k is equal to 20 plus or minus a square root of 396 is same as 36 times 11, then divided by 2. And then we have k is equal to 20 plus or minus this can be written as a square root of 36 times a square root of 11 divided by 2. Now we see here two cases. So you can write here k is equal to 20 square root of 36 is same as 6 times square root of 11. 6 times square root of 11, that means square root of x, square root of 11 divided by 2 is equal to 20 minus 6 square root of 11 divided by 2. Now remember that 6 power x is substituted by k. So k, that means it will be 6 power x equal to 20 plus 6 square root of 11 divided by 2, or k, that means 6 power x is equal to 20 minus 6 square root of 11 divided by 2. Now we have 6 power x is equal to, here we take common 2, so 2 is out of the bracket, this divided by 2, so it will be 10 plus this divided by 2, so it will be 3 square root of 11 over 2, or 6 power x is equal to, here we take common 2, so it will be 10 minus 3 square root of 11, then divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled, this 2 will be cancelled. Now from here we apply log in both sides. You can write here log of 6 power x is equal to log of 10 plus 3 square root of 11, or log of 6 power x is equal to log of 10 minus 3 square root of 11. Now this power x will move to the base, it will be x log 6 is equal to log of 10 plus 3 square root of 11. Here this power x will move to the base, x log 6 is equal to log of 10 minus 3 square root of 11. Now here 6 power any number is always positive, and also 10 minus 3 square root of 11, this is positive, and also this is positive, left side positive and also right side positive. So here we can apply log in both sides. So we apply log in both sides. Now we divided both sides, divided by log 6 in both sides, divided by log 6. So this log 6 will be cancelled, this log 6 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, so it will be log of 10 plus 3 square root of 11 base of 6, or here x will be equal to this divided by this, so it will be log of 10 minus 3 square root of 11 base of 6. Values of x in this problem. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 26 plus 4 to the power 26 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 26. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 26 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 26 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 26, that means 52 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 52 plus 1, that means 53. So 2 to the power 53 is the correct answer.